Module 6. 1. Time. Starting with observing a moving object, the spot where we start observing has t equals 0. When time passes, the object moves to a different position. The period of time which we observe the object is the time that the object moves. If we are uncertain about the amount, t will represent that period, in which case the unit of the time is seconds. 4. Speed. Speed is a distance that changes in 1 unit of time. The unit of speed is meters per second. The calculation of speed. 4.1. Average speed. Average speed is the division of time into periods. The periods can be long or short according to the recorded data. For example, in a 100-meter run, a winner uses up 10 seconds. The speed of the winner is calculated from the following equation. From the data, the speed can be calculated in many periods such as distance times 0 meters times 0 seconds, 10 meters times 2 seconds, 25 meters times 3 seconds, 40 meters times 5 seconds, 60 meters times 6 seconds, 80 meters times 8 seconds, 100 meters times 10 seconds. From the table, we can calculate the speed ratio as follows. Find speed during the first period. Find speed during the second period. Find speed during the third period. Find speed during the fourth period. Find speed during the fifth period. Find speed during the sixth period. 4.2. Instantaneous speed. This is the finding of speed at a particular second. For example, a speed at the 5th second or a speed at the 7th second. Speed at a particular second can be calculated from finding speeds between two spots, and the speed that we are looking for is the one between the two spots. For example, if a speed is calculated from, a speed that is found will be a speed at the 5th second, which is in the middle of the 3rd and the 7th seconds. Example 1. From recorded data on a 100-meter run, calculate instantaneous speed. Calculating a speed at the 2nd second from. Calculating a speed at the 5th second from. Calculating a speed at the 7th second from. Calculating a speed at the 9th second from. 5. Velocity. Velocity is a displacement which is changed in one time unit. The unit of velocity is meters per second. Example 2. If walking up north for 3 meters and then walking towards the east for 4 meters uses 10 seconds, find the velocity of the motion. The velocity of the motion equals 0.5 meters per second. 6. Acceleration. Acceleration means velocity which changes in 1 unit of time. The unit of acceleration is meters per second squared. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Therefore, directions have to be considered. The direction of A is in accordance with the direction of B. Example 3. A car runs in a straight line with velocity of 4 meters per second, then accelerates to 12 meters per second in 20 seconds. How much is the acceleration of the car? The acceleration of the car is 0.4 meters per second squared. Example 4. A train runs in a straight line with the velocity of 20 meters per second. Before arriving at a platform, the train's brake has been used for 40 seconds to stop the train. Find the deceleration of the train. The deceleration of the train is negative 0.5 meters per second squared. Example 5. An object moves towards the north with the velocity of 6 meters per second, then moves towards the east with the velocity of 8 meters per second, within 25 seconds. Find the acceleration of the object. The acceleration of the object is 0.4 meters per second squared.